What's going on, guys? This is Taylor at Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK545ELE-DB-TK. This is our Dexter kit with Timken bearings. This will be your 10-inch brake and hub and drum for a 3,500 pound axle. We can see this big box we got in front of me. This is what you get it in. It'll have our logo on it, and it will be stuffed with two smaller boxes that keep it from moving around. Make sure you get everything intact and not damaged. We have these two smaller boxes which will have your parts in them. Bust these open. We're gonna pack it up. You'll see we got our hub and drum here. This will have your 1/2-inch studs. Your races are already pressed in. These do have our Dexter seals on them, along with our part number, which is 008-247. Then we have our brake in here. We got our 10-inch brake with the magnet already in it, already Dexter inspected. You can see they got a sticker down in here that'll tell us left hand, right hand. Your left hands are going to be the 023-026, and your right hands will be the 023-027. Then we have all of our small parts here, along with our Timken bearings. Pull all these out. We have your other hub and drum and your other brake. You'll get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand brake. So for the small parts, you're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason we do that is, you can see this is solid on top, and these have the holes in them. These are for the easy lube spindles, and these are for the regular spindles. These will come with just solid regular washers to go over the spindle, and the easy lube spindles will come with tang washers like these. You have the little piece. We do that to make sure that you guys have everything you need. Make sure, just in case, for whatever application you have, you can just bolt them on, stick them on, and go. We have our mounting hardware here for the brakes. You get 8 nuts and 8 washers. And you can see you got 4 studs here. So it'll just hook up to the axle plate, stick your washer on, throw your nut on, you're good to go. Then we have our castle nuts and cotter pins. This will be your castle nut. This is what goes on the end of your stud. Generally you won't get cotter pins from our competition. We like to send them once again to make sure you can just bolt it up and go. Really simple stuff. So you'll just stick this on the end of your spindle, and this will go through and such and hold it there. We got 10 lug nuts here. You got 2 seals. You get 2 seals, and then you're gonna get 2 inners and 2 outers. And you'll see these have the Timkens pressed on them. They're made in the US. These Dexters are made in the US. Also high quality stuff. Your inner bearings are going to be the 68149s, and your outers are going to be the 44649s. These are going to be your inners. They'll just pop right in here. And these are going to be your outers. And these will be your outers, and they'll just pop right in here. And you can see we have the Timken pressed on it with the part numbers. It's all high quality kits. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the BK545ELE-DB-TK.